This is an absolute must have in 8 Southeast Asian countries: Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, the Philippines, Cambodia, and Myanmar. Okay, you're not going to Myanmar if you're smart. But the rest of these countries, this app will save you so much drama. Download the app in your home country before you get there so you can avoid your trip starting off with a ripoff from a taxi driver. You also don't need to exchange money at the airport if you've got a Grab app, because you're going to pay with your credit card for that taxi ride. Exchange your money in the city and you'll have a much better rate. You're already going to save yourself at least $10, $20, $30 to start your trip. But the real benefit not only comes in transportation, the biggest one is going to be food. You can have restaurants delivered to you. They're rated. The ratings are usually pretty accurate, whether or not it's a good place, okay place, or a terrible place. Secondly, transportation. You're going to have choices between taking really cheap motorcycle rides, anywhere from 50 cents to a couple dollars almost anywhere. Now, the taxis, aka the Grab taxis, will run you about 30 to 40% cheaper than a regular taxi fare. You'll have no driver digging in your wallet, taking what he wants as you stand back there going, what's happening? So you don't need to worry about it with your credit card. Now later, you can delete your credit card if you're not comfortable having it on file. I've done that before in some countries. There's also other services and things with Grab you can use, like supermarket shopping where they deliver to you. But let's talk about the two main ones and let me show you how those work. Transportation and food. The app has a slight difference depending on the country you're in. In Thailand, you're going to have one button for transport. Decide where you want to go first, as you see here. Then your pickup point, as you see here. And then you will decide whether or not you want a motorcycle or a car. It'll give you prices for the different type of motorcycles. It really doesn't matter. Just choose the cheap one. And the cars, you can choose the cheap one if you don't have much luggage. And you can see here there'll be a lot of options. But sometimes it's busy and you cannot get one. So it's better to click on a couple or even 3. So if you're in a rush, you can get whatever you need for just a small amount of money extra. So here we have 71 baht for a ride, and it's going to be a vehicle. So that is about $2. It shows you where the cars are, how far away he is, so you can be ready. It's so quick in the smaller cities, but it can take more time and even a lot of time or not even be able to get a ride during the big rains in Bangkok and Ho Chi Minh and Hanoi. And in Cebu in the Philippines, God bless you. Good luck. So here we go. We've got the driver. Easy to translate here into English if you don't understand Thai, which 99.5% of us do not. And then I reply, okay, Krupp is just a nice way to say end a sentence politely in Thai. They're so polite there. So he's very nearby. A lot of times the app is going to show you go to the pickup point when literally you're right there. So don't worry about it unless it's a long ways away. You'll get your bearings after a while. Okay, so now let's take a look at the home screen again. Now we've got food choices. So automatically the app's going to kind of have an idea where you are. You just want to make sure that the address is correct, whether it be through Airbnb, a hotel, whatever the case may be. They don't care. They're going to deliver it everywhere. The drivers are usually quite familiar with the places, but not always. So sometimes they'll ask for some help in directions. You're going to have so many different options. At the top, it's going to show you multiple types of food, whether it be the food from that country or whether it be foreign food. But lots of options. Definitely check the ratings. I've had some absolutely terrible, disgusting, I wouldn't feed to my dog meals. Now that is a rarity in Southeast Asia, but it does happen that you get these restaurants and Grab does nothing about it. So what can you do? So just make sure you check the ratings. Here's some healthy salad foods with some steak. There's so much good food in Southeast Asia. Having it delivered usually costs you about $1, depending on how far away you are. and just a fantastic deal. Compare that to the US and Uber Eats. It's insane how much cheaper it is to live over here, guys. Okay, so we're going to select a couple items here, put them into our basket. It's going to ask you also whether or not you have any demands, like no onions sometimes I ask for on my burgers. So next thing is going to give you options. Sometimes these are not options that you have. You have to make a choice or it will not be able to put into your basket. As you'll see here, I have to choose one, I choose another. Now when the green bar at the bottom comes up, okay, that's enough choices. You can add your order now. So we'll go ahead and click on that and it's going to add it to the basket. Now the cool thing is here, you can also order from different restaurants at the same time. If you're with your girlfriend and she wants to eat something and you want to eat something different, you can make this order at the same time. You'll have two different drivers usually, but you can do it in the same time, which is really quite handy. So you guys get the food near the same time. And here it's going to tell you this is how much it is. Now, don't forget at the bottom, there's going to be a thing that says offers, and you're almost always going to be able to save $1, $2, or $3 on your order, depending on how big it is. But it's amazing how much you can save in a month if you coagulate it together. 30, 40, I bet I save $50 a month easy with those grab offers at the bottom. So here you're going to see they're going to offer you other things, kind of entice you to go shopping at the supermarket where they deliver it straight to you, which can be very handy, save you some time. But I usually like to walk to 7-Eleven or a store to get some exercise to get those things. Now, it's going to also inform you that your order is received and the restaurant is preparing your order. One little bonus here, this was me in 2016 in Vietnam, when I weighed about 225 or 235 pounds. And just by eating Vietnamese food, I lost 20 pounds in about 18 months. And then I started to go to the gym and I lost another 20 pounds, 25 pounds of fat, put on a little bit of muscle. But it's an amazing benefit of being here in Southeast Asia. And this app is an absolute must if you're going to be here. This is where I'm bargaining with the Vietnamese girl. She was very nice, and we had a lot of laughs as we did this because I was just learning Vietnamese, and my Vietnamese was very basic at this point. I watched it and cringed a few times. But anyway, come to Southeast Asia. Definitely have this app. If you have any questions about Southeast Asia, I do consultations. My main channel goal is to help guys that are heartbroken, wanting to get out of the country they're in, or at least come visit and check out what it's like to date in a place like Southeast Asia. I've lived here for 10 years in Southeast Asia, 8 in Vietnam, and I can give a lot of advice from firsthand knowledge of mistakes I've made and seen others make, and pass it on and help you. I hope this app helped everybody, whether or not you're female or male, and just looking to come here. But that being said, the consultations are $60 US, and that's for 60 minutes to 90-minute consultation. Pretty much whatever you need. So I hope that this can help you guys be happy, whatever it is, and you'll have a more enjoyable stay in Southeast Asia. And see you guys in the next video.